Hypnosis for nervous cough. It can help. I wonder if you have a nervous cough. Some people do. Some people don't realize that they do. Some people have a nervous cough and they're unable to control it. It's a and I'm going to talk about the difference between an ordinary cough and a nervous cough. A normal cough is the body is expelling debris or mucus from the body. It's an ejection. It's a very plain, forceful ejection. Air is coming out of the lungs. It's forcing material from the esophagus out into the mouth. The idea is to expel material, whatever the material is. You know, if you swallowed water the wrong way and it's gone down the wrong way, your body is expelling it. A nervous cough is slightly different. A nervous cough is a swallowed cough, and you actually often bring your chin down. And it becomes a habit. And some people are quite disturbed by the habit. I had a lady come to see me the other day and she had a nervous cough. And it was quite disturbing for her because she'd done some recordings of some work she was doing and she was coughing on the recording. And she hadn't realized to what extent she'd been coughing. So it's a matter of retraining the way that you use your head, your breathing mechanisms, your throat, your lungs, etc. So hypnosis can help reprogram your mind and help reprogram the way that your cough mechanism works, your reflex, cough reflex works, so that you can get rid of the nervous cough, because you don't really need it, do you? Because your body will expel extraneous material when it doesn't want extraneous material. It will let you know when it wants to give a natural cough. So, try hypnosis for a nervous cough. See you later.